This tutorial review will show you how to copy other post hashtags or caption on Instagram. On mobile app, here is no option to copy other people post hashtag or caption. So you have to open your browser and open the post. And now highlight these hashtag and captions. Once you highlight it, right click on the text and click on copy. And now I'm going to opening my notepad and simply I'm pasting here. And this is the only way to copy others people post caption and hashtags on Instagram. And now you can transfer these hashtags to your iPhone, to your mobile device by selecting it and copy it. Now you can open your Facebook Messenger on your browser or WhatsApp and send or transfer these hashtags to your mobile. So that's how you can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.